Whoops, I'm ready on Bell. This is case number 20-446-0001, the people of the state of Michigan versus Paul Tyrone Bell Jr. Defendant is charged with child abuse 4th degree. Today is the date set for a final pretrial conference with a trial date. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Delisha Coleman on behalf of the City of Detroit.
And for the record, Your Honor, Janice Stevenson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Paul Bell. Mr. Bell, sir, will you please say your first, your middle, and your last names?
That's Paul Tyrone Bell Jr.
Today is the day set for final pretrial conference, but I don't see Mr. Bell's name on my book. Mr. Flanagan?
Yes, Your Honor. It's October 9th.
Oh, there he is. Okay, yes. Mr. Bell has a jury trial scheduled for October the 9th at 10:15. What happened to Mr. When did I schedule Mr. Clifton Scotty for? Mrs. Clifton Scott for?
Tomorrow for a motion hearing.
Oh, okay. And then Lamb is on, oh, Lamb is here right now. Okay. All right. Can you all get ready on Lamb? Because there's a witness present.
Yep, that won't take long. I just need to ask one final question based upon what we talked about yesterday.
Okay. So Mr. Bell has a trial on October the 9th. Ms. Stevenson?
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, Mr. Bell is going to continue his plea of not guilty. Your Honor, at this time, we continue the jury demand, but the court did give permission for a pretrial resolution. And I just have to fall on the MFE sword on that one. We have to finalize the pretrial resolution, and I would humbly ask the court to set another final pretrial before the jury trial date, Your Honor. We do expect the final pretrial resolution to be complied with by, if the court would graciously give us another final pretrial.
Today is October 2nd. The jury trial is a week from today.
Yes, Your Honor. The court did approve our request for pretrial resolution and our proposed resolution, Your Honor.
And it can be completed in a week?
Yes, absolutely, Your Honor, based upon the permission that you've already granted.
Okay. Court will continue the matter to October 8th.
We're very grateful. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
If Mr. Bell could wait for me in the hallway, please don't leave.
All right. Mr. Bell, wait for your lawyer in the hallway, and we're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe. Yes, Miss Moore. Miss Warfield. I done called you Miss Moore. Yes, Miss Warfield.
Your Honor.
It ain't working out for us.
And that's me putting it lightly. My intelligence has been questioned.
The new lawyer?
The new lawyer. I was told that a misdemeanor is not a criminal
Miss Taylor
defense.
Coleman, you in the car with two people who on my screen. This is not gonna work. What is going on? What's going on? What's going on? Okay.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Video.
Mr. Hill is going to take over.
And Mr. Hill, you take over because it's okay.
Yeah. So I've explained the benefit about our program, went over everything, and she is adamant that she only wants regular probation. I stated that that's not a given. That you can get that. The judge has to order it, and she. So
okay. She coming. What's that new date?
We can have her come in, Your Honor, as I believe that there is an urgent need of help for the 6th. We can bring her in on Monday.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll see if I'm able to do that. Okay.
Miss Stevenson, I wasn't able to get her contact information all the way.
The stakes are high as Mr. Bell stands charged with child abuse in the 4th degree. But today's focus is on procedural matters, setting the trial date, sorting out the legal intricacies, and clarifying the next steps. A jury trial is on the horizon, but this pre-trial conference reveals some potential hurdles in this case. With motions and requests swirling around, will there be a resolution before October 9th, or will the case drag on? Let's stay tuned to see if the defense and prosecution can strike a final deal before the courtroom drama unfolds.
So can you
Okay.
just text me her, at least her phone number if you have it?
Yes, I will. I will.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Okay, Mr. Flanagan, you sent me a message. Bring in Mr. Doherty, please. Mr. Polk's hearing is second, so I need to do the other one first. Is the lawyer here for, yes, okay. What are you doing on, oh, they were late. Oh, no, they weren't. I'm ready on Montgomery, and I need Miss Stevenson to go get ready on Lamb.
Your Honor, I'm ready on Montgomery.
All right, and then I'm ready on Doherty. So. Miss Montgomery, there we go. No. I said I'm ready, but I don't mean I'm ready. They don't go have a seat. I'll call it when I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm gonna do Montgomery first. Sorry. All right, this is Montgomery. Case number 224546902. The People versus Shania. Middle name starts with SHAN. Last name Montgomery. Defendant is charged with assault or assault and battery. Today is the date on the court's docket for pretrial conference for the 2022 case. Appearances, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Alex Hill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Miguel Brico on behalf of Miss Montgomery, P88379. Miss Montgomery, can you please say your first, middle, and last name?
Shanae Montgomery.
Mr. Brico, how are you proceeding?
Your Honor, today is the date and time for the pretrial on this matter. I note that the complaining witness has not appeared yet. I would be moving for a dismissal on this matter.
Mr. Flanagan, I'm sorry, I meant to say, can you confirm for me?
Yes, Your Honor. First pretrial was scheduled for January 3rd, 2023. Looks like there's a capious history.
Okay, and then we're here. Okay, Mr. Hill, with respect to the motion.
Your Honor, normally we would ask for an adjourned pretrial for one last chance. However, we've made numerous attempts over the last 6-7 months, and we have no faith that Mr. Lamar Wright will be present. For that reason, we're going to ask for a dismissal for failure to locate the complaining witness.
All right, then the court is going to grant the motion to dismiss. The people have indicated that they cannot locate the witness. We will mail a copy of that order to you for your records, ma'am. Have a great day. Stay safe.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Brico, are you prepared to do Doherty or?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I'm not.
Okay. What is the other case you're ready on?
Mr. Tibbs.
All right, I'm ready on Tibbs. And then let me bring in counsel on Stockmore. And then Mr. Flanagan, can you ask the lab how long that's going to be?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so can Mr. Tibbs start your camera? Mr. Awada, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, and you are on my Stockmore motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'll be with you shortly. So I'm almost ready for you, and I will be with you shortly. Your client is here. Yes. So,
Your Honor, I know that Mr. Lazar was going to discuss the matter with opposing counsel prior to the motion hearing briefly. Did they already do that?
I doubt it. So I'll
Okay.
put you in a breakout room, and then the prosecutor. So did you want to talk to the prosecutor?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Okay, well, I'll do this. I'll bring in Miss Taylor Coleman, who must have lost signal.
I did.
Mr. Hill, did you want Miss Coleman to speak to the defense attorney or you?
I will try to if there's a small break, Your Honor. I don't want to slow down the docket. I am in touch with Attorney Lazar on my phone.
That's fine.
We're all set.
I defer to Mr. Lazar. Thank you.
Okay, well then I'll be
You're fine, Your
ready
Honor.
for you shortly, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll
If
put
the
you
court
back
would
in
like,
wait.
I can go on.
All right, I'm ready on, whoops. I'm ready on Tibbs. This is case number 254617701, the People versus Morrell DeJuan Tibbs. Defendant is charged with malicious destruction of property. Today is the date set for pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
Morning, Your Honor.
Okay.
Wow, talk about a surprising turn. The defense is requesting a final pretrial conference just a week before the jury trial. It's clear they're hoping to finalize a resolution. This last-minute push for clarity is common in high-stakes cases, but it also raises the question, why wait until the 11th hour? What could the defense be planning behind the scenes? It's always interesting when there are last-minute developments like this, especially when the prosecution is already prepping for a trial. What do you think will happen in this case? Will they find a resolution or go to trial?
All right. Come
Good
on.
morning, Your Honor, Delisha Coleman on behalf of City of Detroit. Thank you for your patience and understanding.
And good morning, Your Honor. Miguel Brico, P88379, on behalf of Mr. Tibbs. Mr. Tibbs, please unmute and say your first, middle, and last name for the record, sir.
Morrell DeJuan Tibbs.
Thank
All
you.
right. Mr. Brico.
Your Honor, at this time of the pretrial, I believe the complaining witness had not appeared today. I just want Your Honor to verify that because I may have missed it throughout breakout room. But if that remains true, I'd move for a dismissal today.
Well, who is the complaining witness?
Venus Ford is a complaining witness on the complaint.
All right, Miss Coleman.
That is correct. Ms. Ford has not appeared today, and I do not have that she previously appeared in this matter.
This is the first pretrial conference.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. We would ask to adjourn this matter to final pretrial so that we can contact the complaining witness.
Court is going to deny defense counsel's motion for dismissal, grant the people's request for an adjournment, giving them an opportunity to locate and notify the complaining witness of the obligation to appear before the court. The matter is adjourned to October the 16th at 8:36. And the complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed unless the people have a valid explanation as to why the witness did not appear or should not be required to do so. Bond will continue. Anything further?
Nothing further from the people. Thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, then, Mr. Tibbs, we're all set until October 16th at 8:30.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you.
All right, I'm ready on, okay, here's Mr. Lamb. I'm ready on Doherty and then Lamb, and then I'm gonna switch to my motion. And then is Mr. Polk is Mr. Polk still present for his motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
I mean, for his hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then I'll be ready on Mr. Polk. Okay, so this is case number 244442301, the People versus Stephen B.J. Doherty. Defendant is charged with assault or assault and battery. Today was the date set for jury trial. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alex Hill on behalf of the people.
And for the record, Your Honor, Janice Stevens' son, appearing on behalf of Mr. Stephen Doherty. Mr. Doherty, sir, please say your first, middle, and last names.
Stephen B.J. Doherty.
Today is the date set. Good morning. Today was the date set for jury trial. And I believe the people were not ready to proceed. Mr. Hill?
That is correct, Your Honor. The people have submitted a motion for dismissal due to insufficient evidence, and that's what we're asking the court to enter.
And I'm sure there's no objection from the people.
From defense, no objection.
From defense, I apologize, from defense. All
No
right,
objection.
Mr. Doherty, there's a motion. I'm going to sign it. Mr. Flanagan, if you could bring it to me, I'm going to sign. They'll give you a copy for your records. The matter is dismissed at this time. Have a seat at the direction of the officer, and we'll bring you a copy of the dismissal.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'm ready on Lamb.
Your Honor, maybe we have one moment to get the complainant from the hallway?
Yes.
And I'm going to run this into the court.
Okay, and then who is Lazar? Where is that on my docket? Oh, that's the lawyer. Child, that's the lawyer. Okay. And then that's Mr. Polk's client. And then who is Carter? Do you all see that Carter in the breakout room? I mean, in the waiting room. Do we know who Carter is? All right. And, Sproles is on my. All right, Taylor Sproles.
I don't know if you heard me, but I say yes.
Please accept to join the breakout room now. Lawyer will come in and speak with you.
Okay.
And just like that, the court has granted an adjournment, giving both sides more time to prepare for trial. A new date has been set, and the wheels of justice continue turning. This case shows us how the legal process is often full of twists and turns, with every hearing leading to more questions than answers. If you were in Mr. Bell's shoes, would you take the plea or push for a trial? Drop your thoughts below, and if you found this courtroom breakdown insightful, hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more compelling legal drama.